बीईटी सादतुन्निसा डिग्री कॉलेज का एनएसएस कैंप। बेंगलुरु के करीब रामनगर में मौजूद गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग में 7 दिनों का कैंप आज यानी 13 फरवरी बरोज जुमा से 7 दिनों का कैंप शुरू हुआ है। राष्ट्रीय सेवा योजना के कैंप का इफ्तिताह गौसिया कॉलेज ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर एनएस कुमार, एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव ऑफिसर एजाज अहमद ने पौधा लगाते हुए किया। इस मौके पर बीईटी कॉलेज के कैंपस डायरेक्टर मोहम्मद अनीस, प्रिंसिपल समिया फातिमा, एनएसएस ऑफिसर तबस्सुम व दीगर मौजूद थे। बड़े खुशगवार माहौल में इस कैंप का आगाज हुआ। गौसिया कॉलेज के प्रिंसिपल डॉक्टर एनएस कुमार ने स्टूडेंट्स से अपील की कि वो इस कैंप का भरपूर फायदा उठाएं। गौसिया कॉलेज की जानिब से हर मुमकिन ताउन फराहम किया जाएगा। बीईटी कॉलेज के कैंपस डायरेक्टर मोहम्मद अनीस ने गौसिया इदारे का शुक्रिया अदा किया कि पिछले 2 सालों से यहां एनएसएस कैंप हो रहा है, जो स्टूडेंट्स के लिए काफी फायदेमंद साबित हो रहा है। इस 7 रोजा कैंप में 60 स्टूडेंट्स ने हिस्सा लिया है। जनूबी हिंद न्यूज रिपोर्ट।
हो हाशमी माँ की, हो हाशमी माँ की मदनी उल्लुअरबी है। वो मेरा नबी, मेरा नबी, मेरा नबी है। वो मेरा नबी, मेरा नबी, मेरा नबी है। सवार दे स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा, सवार दे। हम उठे उठेगा जग हमारे संग साथियों। हम बढ़े तो सब बढ़ेंगे अपने आप साथियों। जमीन पे आसमान को उतार दे, जमीन पे आसमान को उतार दे। स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे, स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे। उदासियों को दूर कर खुशी को बांटते चले, गांव और शहर की दूरियों को बांटते चले। ज्ञान को प्रचार दे, प्रसार दे, विज्ञान को प्रचार दे, प्रसार दे। स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे, स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे। उठे समाज के लिए, उठे उठे जगे स्वराष्ट्र के लिए, जगे जगे। स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे, स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे, स्वयं सजे वसुंधरा सवार दे।
This camp is not just an event but a movement, an opportunity for us to step beyond our classroom and actively contribute to society. NSS guided by the motto, not me but you.
For the nearest village, example, we have got 2-3 very good spots here, so that you can do the social service also, and it's a part of our degree in engineering, in civil engineering. So that's what I am telling. I am very happy. All these students here, you have to do. You are doing good work. Definitely, I am assuring good hospitality is guaranteed. Since 3 days we had a guest from USA, and they all appreciated this, what has happened as a hospitality from the management and from our institution. So same hospitality, and any other problems you can meet me directly, and all of you please do good work, and I wish you all the best.
Bismillah Education and BB Sadat-Nisa College. As per your curriculum, you have to take NSS program in this. You're doing it, but as per the education policy and education system, all from the central government to the state government or educationists or NGOs. Objective for education system to teach the student how to live, how to understand the others' feeling and the people who are surrounding to us. We should live for others also. That's the objective. It's not I will get the degree, I will get good posting or a good job, software or a hardware or some industry. Not only for my cause, I should live for others also. That is ultimate. Now it is from the government, from the national government or a state government or all experts or the regulatory bodies, they want people to understand, especially a student should understand what we are and what we need to work out and what we need to do, not only to ourselves. Normally, what we think, we get good graduation, good result, good records, good post job. It's our own requirement, but we should see this is the government initiating to make understand the student about we need to live for others also, surrounding also, especially beginning with your parents, then the relatives, then surrounding to our area, our neighbors, our district wise, state wise, and our country, as well as surrounding all together for the globe. So we need to serve. So how to serve? It starts from our own, then our relatives and our house, our family. So we need to check out what we are doing for others also. So the initiative of NSS is to make understand about this. So how to serve, how we can serve for the other our community, surrounding community. So for that cause, you are here. We will support you with all required things, but you need to take the benefit and you need to work dedicatedly with given curriculum and the given program you should follow.
Dear learned colleagues and dear students, at the outset, before I address you people for a short period of time, I would request every one of you to rise and observe a minute of silence for the untimely demise of the chairman of Ghousia Engineering College Trust last week. So we'll observe a minute of silence to mark the respect for the departed soul of the chairman. इंसान को दर्द दिल के लिए पैदा किया इंसान को वरना तात के लिए कुछ कम न थे कर रो बयां. See, this is the ultimate motto of NSS. Not me, but you. As Sir rightly said, we need to live for others. We need to have sympathy and empathy for others. Okay, for me, I will live, but how long? If I do contribute to the society, contribute to my neighbors, contribute to my college, contribute to the extended programs like this, then only the name remains. My dear students, my heartfelt gratitude to the Ghousia College of Engineering Administrator Sir, Principal Sir, for their consistent support from past 2 years, okay, assisting us, the BEAT institution, to hold our NSS camp in their campus, providing all the facilities and facilitating us. So thank you very much, sir. Dear students, Almighty God has given you an opportunity. Make use of every single moment that you are going to stay here. It has to leave an indelible mark. The college and the society, whatever work you do, should be remembered for a long time. Okay, and let us serve the purpose of we coming here and attending the camp. Let us be serious, and my appeal to the physical education directors, NSS team members, staff who have come here to see that you dedicate and you contribute whatever might from your side to the society before leaving the campus. Okay, all the very best. My prayers and blessings to the entire team here. Okay, make it a remarkable, okay, a cherishable moment of these 3 days. Thank you very much. Jazakallah.
Mr. Basum, NSS Program Officer, to propose the vote of thanks.
I, Tabassum, will take this opportunity to propose vote of thanks on this occasion. First and foremost, I express my sincere gratitude to NSS Dr. N.S. Kumar, Principal of Ghousia Engineering College, for gracing this occasion and sharing his valuable time. I also extend my sincere thanks to Dr. Ejaz Ahmad KR Sir, Administrative Officer at Ghousia Engineering College, for being with us and encouraging our NSS volunteers. Thank you so much, sir. A special thanks to Dr. Amanullah Sir, Dr. Salim Sir, Dr. Atik Sir, and Mr. Girish Kumar Sir for their active involvement in all our upcoming NSS activities. I express my deep gratitude to our respected campus director, Professor Mohammad Anis Sir, for his continuous guidance, encouragement, and support in all our activities. Thank you so much, sir.
जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत